All right, this is another one that's my main script, and it's really really helpful. This is what I love having in it. It's basically what happens is it watches for a long escape press, and if you press it for a long time, it will close the program that's active. So let's say let me bring down like this calculator. I can just hit escape and hold it down, and it will close that program. So, or if I'm in Sight, escape will close that program, or Notepad, escape closes any program I'm in. It'll just as long as you hold it down for a half a second, a little bit longer than a half a second, then it'll close it for you. It sends this post message. Post messages and send messages are part of the Windows API basically, and they send these special commands that you can look up. But that one is, hey, close that active window. Maybe closing the program or the active window. I can't remember. I know this is for the active window, but I'm not sure if it's actually sending like a kill command versus a close command. But it's pretty awesome. I love having it. And sometimes, program's not responding and my hand's on the keyboard, and I can just hit that escape key easily, and bam, it's gone in seconds. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. It's really a good one to have in your script. Cheers.